Hi there, this is Fixed It. Got this old PowerBook G3 battery from my old PowerBook G3, which is completely dead, and plan to resell it. But obviously the batteries are stuck inside this plastic case, and I'm absolutely sick to death of watching videos that claim how to open a battery case like this without destroying it, and then proceed to destroy it and then kind of glue it back together again. So what I've done is I've created this device, the PowerBook G3 battery opener, and now what I need to do is to just really batter this battery with this opener, and it should miraculously come open. And I've started at this end, look, and as you can see it's absolutely coming open just by beating it with this opener. Of course that's a complete joke. What this piece of wood is really for is if I put that in the bottom of my vise and then slot the battery in and do it up, I've got a reasonable kind of surface to work with. And so turn it back at this end, and then what I take is a chisel, not too sharp, and a mallet, and I place the chisel in the groove and then I tap it with a mallet like that, ever so gently. And as you can see, what I've done is I've broken the seal, so the glue seal is broken without smashing the battery. So now what I need to do is to proceed along all of the edges of the battery doing this. So let me just find the edge here. There it is. Give that a tap. And as you see, almost immediately the battery is splitting open. And what damage is there? None. Absolutely nothing. So none of this getting a screwdriver in there, scratching it to hell, getting a pair of pliers and ripping the top off, and all of that, which leaves you with a complete mess that you have to then glue, and then you have to file down and sand down in order to get it back to the shape that it'll fit in the battery pack. None of that nonsense. So what I need to do now is to go ahead and do the rest of the battery. I'm just about to have some lunch, so I'll do that after lunch. I hope you liked the video. Please check out my other videos. There's some great money saving tips. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.